In this video, you'll learn about the incredible benefits of flax seeds for gut health and why they should be a staple in your diet. Many people struggle with digestive issues and are looking for natural solutions to enhance their gut health. Gut health is essential for overall well-being, and it's alarming how many people suffer from symptoms like bloating, constipation, and abdominal pain. Unfortunately, many of us turn to over-the-counter medications or quick fixes that only provide temporary relief. However, I'm excited to share with you a superfood that can be a game-changer for your digestive health. Flax seeds have been touted as a miracle food for gut health, and for good reason. They're packed with nutrients and fiber that can help soothe and heal your digestive system. So if you're tired of feeling sluggish and uncomfortable, keep watching, because you're about to learn how flax seeds can transform your gut health. A healthy gut is the foundation of overall wellness, and it's crucial that we take care of it. When our gut is out of balance, it can lead to a myriad of health issues, from weight gain to skin problems. So it's essential that we focus on building a strong and resilient gut. With the right foods and supplements, you can promote a healthy gut microbiome and start to feel the benefits. And that's exactly what I'm going to show you today: how flax seeds can be a powerful addition to your gut health arsenal. One of the main reasons people struggle with gut health is because they're not feeding their bodies the right foods. A diet high in processed foods and sugar can wreak havoc on your gut, causing inflammation and disrupting the balance of good bacteria. But by incorporating gut-friendly foods like flax seeds, you can start to heal and repair your digestive system. Flax seeds are an excellent source of fiber, which is essential for promoting regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. And because they're rich in omega-3 fatty acids, they can help reduce inflammation and soothe irritated digestive systems. Flax seeds contain a unique type of fiber called mucilage, which forms a gel-like texture when mixed with water. This gel-like texture can help soothe and calm irritated digestive tracts, making them an excellent natural remedy for digestive issues. Plus, the omega-3 fatty acids in flax seeds have anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation and promote healing in the gut. Flax seeds are rich in ALA, a type of omega-3 fatty acid that has been shown to reduce inflammation and promote digestive health. They're also an excellent source of insoluble fiber, which can help regulate blood sugar levels and promote satiety. And because they contain a type of prebiotic fiber, they can help feed the good bacteria in your gut, promoting a healthy gut microbiome. To reap the benefits of flax seeds, you'll want to make sure you're incorporating them into your diet in a way that works for you. One of my favorite ways to use flax seeds is by adding them to my morning smoothie. Simply mix 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed with your favorite fruits and veggies, and you'll have a nutrient-packed breakfast that will keep you full until lunchtime. You can also sprinkle flax seeds on top of salads or yogurt for an added crunch and dose of omega-3s. And if you're feeling adventurous, you can try making flaxseed crackers or granola for a tasty snack. Here's a simple recipe you can try at home. Flaxseed energy balls. Simply mix together rolled oats, ground flaxseed, and your favorite nut butter and roll them into bite-sized balls. These little energy balls are packed with fiber, protein, and healthy fats, and they make the perfect snack on the go. Today, we've covered the incredible benefits of flax seeds for gut health, from their high fiber content to their anti-inflammatory properties. By incorporating flax seeds into your diet, you can start to transform your gut health and experience the benefits for yourself. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other videos on healthy eating and wellness.